Hey Clovis Unified, thanks for coming to today's tutorial. The purpose of today's tutorial is to show how you can save Q, also known as Parent Connect or Zangle, onto your device easily. I'm specifically working with Apple devices, so the process of doing this on an Android device is going to be different. I'm going to start by going to Safari. When I head into Safari, I'm going to head over to Clovis Unified. So I'm going to go to CUSD.com. And then once I go to CUSD.com, I'm going to head over to the Parent Connect location. Once I reach the Clovis Unified website, I'm going to come over here to the left where it says Parents. In that drop-down menu, I'm going to maneuver over to that right-hand side, and I'm going to click on Parent Connect. Once that page loads, you'll notice over here on the right-hand side that there is a new notification that you can actually go to your App Store and you can download that app. If for some reason your App Store is malfunctioning, the other way to save it is to click on this up arrow right here, and you can actually save it to your home screen. When you scoot over to the right down here, it says Add to Home Screen. You can tap that plus symbol one time. You can choose to rename it whatever you wish in this specific region. You can call it Parent Connect. Click that add button, or by hitting the return space, it will automatically add it. And then you'll notice live right on the screen right there, it says Parent Connect. So you can actually go to the App Store and download the actual app, or you can just add it to your home screen. By using the home screen, you are interfacing with that web version. So you're actually just telling Safari to open and head straight to that web page. Either one of those two ways will get you into Parent Connect so that you can stay up to date with information related to your students' grades. Thank you so much for joining me for today's tutorial, and have a great day.